Hello my dear friends, long time no see. CISMA 2025 is coming. We will bring more than 20 kinds of table-stand to the exhibition. We will exhibit solid wood edge table, PVC edge table, rubber edge table, sunken table of interlock and overlock stitch, and mini table. We also exhibit our new design R-type stand, standing stand, double-leg stand, and a European stand. You will also find more of our innovative products and latest designs. Youke, all table-stand solutions will wait for you in E6 G09. Thanks. See you.